guys, so we opened the box. Thank you so much for the sender, and unfortunately some of the things were expired, maybe due to late delivery, I don't know, but we still keep some of the things that are not expired, and today we will give that to a family. And there's some things also that has name on it, so we'll give that also. So thank you so much for sending gifts. Hello! So it's me, Richie,
Arnie,
Luna, our guest for today. And it's a special day today because we will open a box. Excited na mo mag-open?
Yes.
First time ni Luna. It's her first time to open a box with us. Tara, saan ni? Oh, lang. Gusto. Wow. Toys for Dustin, but Dustin's not here. When he come back,
Daniel.
this is for him. Oh, Daniel. Hindi, kasama ni Day? Oh. RR! Your brother!
Wow.
RR.
Oh.
Pedro.
Vilma.
Pedro.
Vilma too.
Oh, Vilma.
Doraemon. Oh, Richie.
Oh. Wow. Oh, Richie. Time to take
Another
shower.
for Richie.
Oh, Richie.
We'll
give it away.
Oh. What was that?
Oh, my back hurts.
Perfume.
Uy, katawa. Candies.
Many candies.
What's this? Dari ang candy tayo. What's this? Dari ang candies.
It's a box. Nora.
I can see. Oh, dice.
Oh.
Games.
Love.
Nakadako.
That? Wow,
Oh,
so
nalumping.
big.
Chocolate, no? I think, ano ni? Halloween. Ano ito ba? Bats and Jocks. Halloween, oh, murag biscuits. Oh, biscuits.
Di pa, ikatong pan. Murag pala ito.
Delicious chocolate. There's inside. Oh, sik gamay. Open.
Dried fruit and nut mix.
And nut mix. Oh. Here.
Coins na chocolate ni.
Oh! Penny.
Gold.
Gold penny. Ay, na-adi siya. Ginang, i-open ang ito balik. Oh, so, you can open this one and put it back. So, it's chocolate inside. It's nice. Oh. Mo, day chocolate day inside.
Yeah.
Wait. And we have also, what's ni? White chicken. What's ni? Tuna? Tuna. Can. Richard.
Oh.
Richard.
What's this one thing?
Oh, duyan.
Wow.
Hamak. Oh. Ay. No, sakto no, hamak. Ay, duyan. Same as Dustin's. Duyan.
Nawag ito.
Nor. For cooking.
Dried fruits and nuts.
Oh, nausik.
Lola.
Ala, nagapilang
Lola.
usik. Oh, another towel for Lola. Dali lang ang tawag
For Lole.
Oh, Arnie.
Wow, Arnie too.
Oops. Arnie. May beans nga na. Oh, I see something. So there's a green piece maybe open, but it's okay. Okay, kuha na day. Oh, kung what's inside.
What's that? Wow! It's a boots.
Hindi ka olive, Samantha. Oh, kana.
Nice.
Sorry, sukod ko na eh. Oh, sukod lang. Sukod lang. Oh, yan na lang eh. Yan na lang. Oh, wow. Oh, there's watch. There's sani? I don't know what's inside.
Wallet?
But it's a nice gift.
Napay na ni. What's that? Gifts. Gifts ko ni. YouTube na nakuan mo. Ilaso lang na. Bro, katutuan na kuan. So, like this. Wow. Thank you. Hi,
Mobile
Nani
bring
just told
peace.
me. Okay. Ito na lang. Basta ito kami.
Well done. Well, shark. Well done. Some sauce. So this spaghetti sauce. Spaghetti sauce. Beans. And some canned goods.
Potatoes.
Canned goods. Ano lang sila namang canned goods? Walnuts ano eh?
Campbell's.
Mixed nuts. So, favorite na yung Dustin. And, saan dito? Kachin.
Ano pa ay?
Ay, paano? Kachin. Bottle opener.
Milk chocolate coins.
Coins. Chocolate coins. Gold. This is one of my favorite before the Luna. Kapalit ko ginanin. Murag kwarta ba? Oh,
Another
there's
sausage.
chocolate. Sausage. Sausage. Here. So, I'll just organize this one day. Sausage.
Ayaw. Oo. Ayaw ko dito.
Oops.
Hindi na lang ito. 14 na.
Ah, curtain. Sleeping. og macaroni. So, ano lang ka ba? Ako na ipakita deh.
Sige,
Show. So, inside, so we have macarons, canned goods, and oatmeal. So, okay. So, thank you so much for sending this, and we will hand out and share to everybody. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you later. Hello. Hi. So I'm with the gang. We're going to deliver the gift to a family. So see you there. Hello guys. I am with Ayin and Dana. Dana yung pangalan nila. So they are very hardworking. They are the one taking good care of their Lola or grandmother who had a stroke, and so their mom is a single parent and their grandfather is also working. So yeah, they are very responsible enough to take good care of their grandma. So today I want to make your day happy. Kanang gusto ko malipay mo karon nakikita mo. Tanawin mo. Kanang so, nakuha niyo brush. Kabate? Awat na. Go.
Oh, nagsamon duha. Ay, dali tatoy. Ato ka. Kuha sa tatoy din. Kuha sa dili na, ma. Some canned goods. Pilated din mo na na? 4. Ikaw, ayin? 10. Napay, o sa ayin? Oh! I-open mo na. Tawin ko na na. Open. I-ari ko din. I-ano ay papilan ko. Wow! Lapis? Wala, ano yun? Nice. And also, we have we still have Sharpie at the house. And na ito ng toys. Emoji. Dua ina na. Kanang alam. Lusot dali sa tunga. Napadaghan.
Oh.
Wow, nakadaog ka? Yay! So, Ayin and Dana are staying here with their Lola. They are the one taking good care of their Lola because their mother and their grandfather are working.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Luna.
Hi, I'm Army.
Thank you for the gift.
Thank you.
Wow!
Thank you.
Bingo!
Binato ng virgin ko, akala ko 5 piso, bingo.
Oh, diri ka to. Ay, pagod ko na. Diri ka.
Wala.
Si Makang, oy. Oh, diri ka dito na nako.
Ala.
So we're having a campfire here because we heard in the news that there will be meteor shower tonight around 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. So we will be patiently waiting here. I hope we can see at least one shooting star.
Shooting star, shooting star. Namay ko ar ganing. Kanang mo ang dito. Ba? Falling star ba? Falling star niya. Ano ka Dilma?
16 million.
After 3 hours of waiting. Good night, Micah.
Hay, pagawatog. Pagawat ako.